Hi guys, welcome back to another short tutorial, and today's tutorial is about customizing the robots.txt file in Shopify. So robots.txt file is for search engines to let search engine know if the website is indexable or not. We can customize the robots.txt page to let search engine know if any specific page we don't want to index or if this website is indexable or not. If you want to learn more about search engine optimization, I have a separate playlist for search engine optimization where you can learn more about how to rank Shopify website, how to add Google Analytics, how to add Search Console on your website. So do check out the playlist. You will see the link on this video. And today's tutorial is about adding custom robots.txt file on your Shopify store. So let's jump into the tutorial. So guys, we are on our development store. It's a development store of Shopify. You can create development stores for free for the testing purposes, and once you're comfortable with your development stores, you can make your website live. So first of all, let's check how the robots.txt looks like. So that's the default robots.txt file for the development stores. If we go on live websites, there's a default layout for Shopify stores. So let me show you one of the live websites on how the robots.txt on live site looks like. So this is one of the Shopify store which we have built for client, and when we go to the robots.txt for that store, you can see the default robots.txt file for your Shopify store. The tutorial is for customizing the robots.txt file which you see on our screen. Now let's go to the backend of our Shopify store. To go to the backend, you'll have to type /admin in front of your Shopify store URL, and after that you'll see a login mode. I'm already logged in, so I'm seeing the dashboard. Now from dashboard, click on online store. And from online store themes, you can see your currently activated theme. So before doing any changes, I suggest you guys to create a backup by creating the duplicate theme of your live site. If you're working on a live website, make sure to create a duplicate so you do not mess up anything. Now, I'm assuming you have already done that. Now click on edit code from actions. And from there, you can create a robots.txt file by adding a new template. So click on add a new template, and from there you'll see a pop-up like this. From there you need to select robots.txt and click create template. So that's the dynamic code for our robots.txt file. And now when I go to our development store and hit refresh, that's how our robots.txt looks like. Now, if you're looking to disallow any specific page on your store and you don't want Google to or any other search engine to index that page, you can simply add a disallow rule on your robots.txt file. So just go to end of the file, add this rule, and mention the user agent. So user agent static, it means that this rule is for all of the search engines, whether it is Google, Bing, or any other search engine. There are other user agents like Google Ad bots and Href bots. So these are all the bot names. You can specify the bot if you are looking to mark your page not indexed for that specific user agent. For now, I'll make it for all of the user agents. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Now when I hit save, I'll see this rule added on bottom of our robots.txt file. I hit refresh. And now as you can see, our disallow rule has been added on the bottom of file. So if I change it and mention my special page, which I don't want any of the search engine to index, I'll just add the URL here and hit save changes. hit refresh, and here we go. Our rule for disallowing this page for all of the search engine has been added. Now all of this code is coming dynamically. We can remove this if you want. I do not suggest to remove it, but you can remove this by removing the for here. So just remove all of this code here and hit save. And here we go. Our robots.txt file is completely custom. We can add rules as per our needs if we do not want the default Shopify robots.txt file. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If that's the case, please subscribe my channel, comment on the video below, like and share. Until next video, have a great day.